Good morning.
Good morning. What a
It's
beautiful
currently 6:20 in the morning, but we have been up since like 5, I think. But welcome to our first official day here in Luxor. Yesterday we kind of just crashed out a little bit due to our joyous train journey,
Plus, we did have a
and
busy
we had a
day
very
before,
busy day
so-
before, so we were both tired. Currently we are on the west bank, I believe,
Yes.
of Luxor. There's two sides, west and east. East side is like the hustle and bustle city centre sort of style, and the west bank is, well, you can see
Untouched almost.
it's absolutely stunning. So we're just having a quick walk around this morning. There was a little bit of a power outage, I believe.
So instead of sitting down
So-
in the heat, we decided to.
We'll go for a little walk, see around, because it gets hot here really fast. Like really. Oh, morning, Mr. Donkey. Lots of donkeys here. In Cairo, they got all the horses. Here, they got all the donkeys.
But it's nice to see this life
It's
because
amazing.
it's like a really country lifestyle.
Yeah, the
With
greenery is
carrots,
phenomenal.
With the carriages and
With the carrots, you
carrot-
got carrots over the front of
with
the donkey.
with the carriages and fishing. We saw them fishing
Oh yeah,
yesterday.
hopefully I'll get some footage of that today or
Yes,
tomorrow.
Yes. So we're just gonna go have a look. While it's still kind of
Sounds like
waking
me in the morning.
No. So let's have a look down here, see what we can find.
Yeah, we didn't explore anything yesterday. Literally, we organised some of the videos from Cairo, and then
We actually stayed.
crashed. We didn't go anywhere.
We didn't even go down by the pool. We actually stayed all day. Also, I'm on the hunt for some lip balm. I finished mine.
Lip balm,
And
not
I
me.
need some-
I did it myself. I did it myself.
Tears of Arabia.
Taz of Arabia.
So let's start our bit of an adventure. See what we're gonna find.
Yeah,
'Cause
'cause
it
we got
seems-
back at 8 today 'cause I
yes,
had breakfast.
Because it seems also like we're the only tourists here, apart from the one that we saw yesterday and the guest house that we're staying in. We haven't seen any tourists around and about, have we?
No,
Like
not
in
yet.
the morning when we were going.
So just to let you know, Egypt is open for tourism.
Yes, it is open, and do take those risks to go off the beaten path because they will be worth it.
Yep, for sure.
We go.
So we're gonna carry on. Just had a little adventure walk and met up with two beautiful little doggies, as you probably saw. And a donkey. Yes.
This is the most, I think, authentic place that we've been to.
I
Egypt,
love
so
the
amazing.
interactions
And
because you can see they want to say something but they're really shy.
Yeah.
There's a supermarket type thing there. And they're a bit standoffish, but as soon as you wave and you say hello to them, they're like,
Everyone says hello, and it's such a wonderful little town. And
yes.
everyone-
Good morning. Good morning. Yes. We have little interactions like this. And they all come up to you. So like you have all these little interactions, they're really nice.
Amir? Your name is Amir?
And they just come up to you and you have the first times. And
Thank you very much.
you have, we were saying, they have the standoffish side. Hi, how are you?
You
Okay?
Very
Okay?
nice, very
Come,
nice.
just look.
Thank
How
you,
you
thank
doing?
you.
His mother, your mother make
So
break.
it's like,
Thank you.
Hi,
We're going for
thank
a walk
you.
because
All
we're
right.
at a shop, so we're going to have a little bit of a look.
but we'll be coming back around
We're coming
later.
back,
No
yes.
problem.
Thank you, hello.
I want water.
Sorry,
Drink water.
thank you very much.
The shop.
Okay,
Put up here.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Good day.
Thank you, have a good day.
Bye.
How cool they are.
My home here.
Yes, thank you.
Perfect, okay, we'll try later. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
They're just amazing people here.
It's so nice. It's so nice to meet kind people that welcome you into their home. I want to give you
Yeah, I've
coffee.
noticed that a lot of them. They're just
Yes,
like,
it is-
just come see my house. It's like,
Exactly.
okay.
It is something that we Europeans are not used to.
Uh-huh.
I mean, we give appointments for people to come over, and these people, they don't know who we are. They don't never seen us before, and their kids come and say hello. And
They're cute. They're children, though.
it always steals my heart. I will never get over this kind
I think the problem we
kindness.
have as Westerners, we're so cynical of everybody.
Yes.
It's just inherent that
Yes.
we're quite cynical of people. But when you come over here, I'm gonna say 99% or 98% are genuine. I mean, you are gonna get some that are trying and take advantage, but you get that everywhere again. So
I mean, we do stick out at the same time.
yeah,
Because we are, as we said, we are the only tourists here. But it's so nice. So far, this is what we travel for.
Yep.
To find places like this, people like this.
the
and
interactions.
experience. I love it. Even
Uh-huh.
the town itself. I'm glad
It's
we
beautiful.
chose.
Hang on, I'm just gonna move here because of the sun. There we go.
I'm glad we chose this area to stay in because it's just perfect. And we
The
haven't
inter-
even started exploring it.
No.
The other side there are the temples which we are going to go to, but not yet. At the moment we're just enjoying this.
Yes, we're
view
just
here.
taking a
Yeah.
chill, walk around, have a look around, see what's where. Because we normally do, that's the first thing we normally do, but yesterday we were exhausted, so it was like just catch up on a few little bits and pieces and just take the rest of the day to rest.
We need to get to the hotel before the sun starts.
Yeah, it's already starting to get quite warm.
Because we left like really early, but that is the nice time to capture.
Yeah, I mean, what's the
And now-
time now? It's 7 o'clock.
7
So
o'clock, yeah.
we've been walking for just over half an hour, just walking around. It's quite nice. And just to see, like, some of them are taking their kids to school. Some of the shops, the shopkeepers are just starting to go over to their shops. They're not open yet, but they are starting to open them. But we're just gonna have a quick look up down here just to see what else is here. And then we'll head back to the hotel.
We've noticed that these
Yeah, free
ones as
drinking
well.
water.
Free drinking water with a cup.
So they have like clean water for everybody, which is really nice.
Yes, this is really, really nice.
So we're going to continue. We're going to carry on up a little bit more, and we'll probably see you back at the hotel. Stroke stay. Stroke
Home.
compound. Compound. I'll just say compound. It's easier. So we'll see you there, guys. What an amazing. We didn't quite see you back at the hotel, but we kind of wanted to do a bit of work, but that didn't work out because it was quite hot.
And
So-
had a power cut.
Yeah, and then we went for the pool, so we stayed in the pool instead. So we decided we're going to come out and try and find somewhere to eat, but we're now quite literally, oh, sorry, that's a donkey's butt, but there behind these trees is the Nile, River Nile. So we're like
Yeah.
just casually walking like behind,
Hello.
casually walking like next to the Nile.
People the locals must think we are nuts.
Yeah, I think they
We're
do.
just, apart from being the only tourists here, we haven't seen any so far.
No.
Just walking. And
We briefly
just
saw
wandering.
we briefly saw one yesterday, but then like we haven't seen them again since then.
And it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's like not ideal to be walking. But we are walking in a sheltered street. There's a lot of
Yes.
trees, so they're making a little bit of shade, so we're cool. Now we're gonna walk to the Nile after we see what we just.
Well, no, we are next to the Nile,
Yes,
but
and maybe we can find a local restaurant where we can have something like.
I don't know. We'll
localish.
find out when we get there.
I tried to have.
But
I want to.
we'll-
we haven't-
we'll let you know when
one
we
thing,
get
one
there.
thing that we haven't seen yet in the 3 places that we have been so far is street food. There isn't much street food,
No.
as in like on what do you call on stalls.
Nah.
So I'm kind of hoping that we find a little shop where we can try.
I'm sure we'll find something. Carry on.
Yes, we can.
We'll see you when we get there. Sorry, we didn't film much of the food bit.
No, because there was people and we didn't ask
Nah.
before, so we decided.
I snuck a
not-
little bit in, which I'll put in whilst we're talking.
Oh, but 10 out
But
of 10.
wow, this place here, Africa, if you're here, check it out. We actually weren't intending to come here, but we kind of ended up here.
Yes, because it's the last one at the bottom of the road that we were walking. We're actually almost going to start running by then.
Yeah. Again, we don't blame them, to be fair, at the
Yes, but
moment.
there is a lot at the moment. There is a lot of people trying to sell you a lot of stuff, which is
And
understandable.
as we're tourists and we stick out like a sore thumb, we kind of get like pounced on.
We are privileged to be the only tourists, so you can imagine how many vendors we are getting. But that's okay. That's
Yeah.
fine. We understand.
Yeah.
So we ended up here. We came to this one that it looked like it's not exactly open, but then we saw
But you
the
have to
roof
go-
garden
Up there.
where you get an amazing view of the Nile
Yes.
and some sweet dinner. And now I'm in a food coma.
And the price is not exorbitant. The prices were beautiful.
It's like a set menu.
Yeah.
They give you the bread, they give you the soup, they give you 3 salad.
Salad, hummus, and the eggplant, fried eggplant.
Fried eggplant. And then they will give you the main course, which I had chicken and my husband had
Kofta.
kofta.
I love kofta at the
We
moment, sorry.
had a bowl of stewed vegetables. We had rice. What else did we have?
We have potatoes,
Potatoes,
rice.
water, 2
Water,
mango juice,
mango
and that
juice,
cost all about, with the tip included, which was around 6 euros. It cost about 24 euros.
Yeah.
So between us, not even 20 euro, and we chose to give a good tip because the place was
Service
clean.
was amazing, very tidy. It was like there was an artist up there as well. He does some nice art, so check
Yeah.
that out if you're coming here.
Yeah, and another thing that caught my heart as well, we came walking, we were sweaty, and they put this humongous
Massive
fan that's got like water at the bottom, and it's like an aircon, but nicer.
But it
than
uses
an
the
aircon.
water and it cools you down a lot quicker.
But they were really kind to us. They took time to explain the menu. 10 out of 10, definitely.
Bomba.
Well, his wasn't actually because
Sorry, hang on. I still got a bit up there still.
it was so spicy.
Sorry.
No, the food didn't come spicy.
No.
You put chili in it.
I asked him for some chili, and I'm glad I only put a tablespoon in. I was going to put more, but I'm glad I only put 1
Like
tablespoon in.
60 out of 10.
Because that was some hot chili.
I just tasted with some bread and I was going to choke. It was so hot. Now you are going to wish us luck in trying to get a tuk-tuk to get us back because now we're feeling full.
Yeah.
And we don't feel like walking.
And we're going to walk down that way. We're going to walk up that way.
Yes, and it's like 2:30 in the afternoon.
It's quite warm.
So we're going to take a tuk-tuk down the road and go back to the hotel and continue finishing some work.
Mm-hmm.
Or else
See.
you won't have a video on Sunday.
No.
You think you know me.